How to fix or place this part of Epson L5290 inside the ADF or automatic document feeder.
How to return this?
First, you have to slightly remove this part, parang hinge itong part na ito. Slightly push it in so you could open this covering wider. Then, place this white piece with the head pointing outward. Make sure all these two rollers will turn if you turn the piece. Overall, dapat yung tatlo ang umiikot. That means your ADF roller is fixed.
Sure, umiikot yan.
Salamat.